Welcome to my review of the Russell Hobbs large rice cooker. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for just under £30. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. It comes with steamer basket, auto keep warm, up to 14 portion capacity. The bowl and the glass lid are dishwasher safe. Indicator lights show when the unit is cooking rice or keeping it warm. Some paperwork, of course. Instruction manual. Nice and simple. Measuring cup, a spoon, steamer basket, glass lid. It's got a little cutout there that would fit there on that side. You could either use it on the left side or the right side. Put that. The bowl, it's got some markings there to let you know the cup size when you're right to the top. That's what it looks like from the bottom. The main unit in white and grey, some Russell Hobbs branding, two lights. One of course will let you know when it's cooking the rice and the other one when it's keeping the rice warm. On off switch. It's got a fixed cord and your power on off button there. Two handles this side. An information stick and a QR code there. At the bottom it's got three of these things, they're plastic. That's what it looks like from the bottom. There's no rubber feet or anything, so it can be slippery, but be careful where you use this on the surface because it will get hot of course, and you've got to let the steam come out properly. That's what it looks like from inside. I'll go and wash the bowl and then we'll cook some rice. Before I do that, if you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. I use this included cup to measure 4 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Rice has been washed. Just put the water in now. Once you've put the rice and the water in, it says in the instruction manual to give it a little twist each side so that the bowl touches the element. I've plugged it into the mains, turn the power button on from here, and I just push that down. You can see it's cooking now. It's on the red one where there are them 3 lines. Once it's finished cooking, it would go off by itself. This orange light would come on that single one. Then you let the rice rest for 10 minutes in the bowl, and then after that you remove them and put them somewhere cool, and then you could serve them. But if you do want to keep the rice warm, you just leave it on the single one, down for cooking, up for keeping it warm. The rice cooker has just stopped cooking. It's been exactly 15 minutes. The light's gone to amber. I'll let the rice rest for 10 minutes now. It's been 10 minutes now. Just give them a little. I've just moved the camera angle so you could see the rice properly. As you can see, they're cooked fully there. You could see each grain. They're not sticky and they're not burnt as well. It's cooked them perfectly. This is personal taste. In future, we might be adding half a cup of water extra because they're a bit dry. We prefer our rice to be slightly softer. Other than that, it's perfect. I mean, they cooked properly. I had a little taste. They're absolutely fine. Another thing to point out, we put 4 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. When the booklet, it says you could put 7 cups of rice and 7 cups of water. But as you can see, it's almost full. You may get away with 6 cups of rice and 6 cups of water, but that's may. So I don't think it'll take 7. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.